Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Gifted Child. Hi, I'm High Honor. High Honor isn't my name, but it's their expectations. Ever since I was a kid, I was called the gifted child. Masaya ako dati kasi ang daming praises. Once, nung grade 3, I was the only one in our classroom that passed with a medal. I was ecstatic, of course, but over time, I started pressuring myself. People started to have expectations of me, especially my family. I'm graduating after this school year, and ang goal ko is to graduate with the highest honor. Mahirap siya, pero kakayanin ko. Hindi para sa sarili ko, but to live up to everyone's expectations, to be valid enough to be loved by my family. But deep inside, I just want to be accepted by who I am, not because of my smarts, but rather with my flaws. Ang hirap magkaroon ng validation of love, but I want to be loved unconditionally. I tell people that I wanted to be an architect because I like sketching and planning. My family wants me to be a doctor. I told them that if I were to become a doctor, I would be a neurosurgeon. They were happy, and a part of me wants to see them happy by having the job I don't want. In reality, I wanted to be someone who's a director, actor, or scriptwriter. I am secretly publishing a fiction story in Wattpad because at least there I can write. I want to be a director because I love making scenarios that brings joy, hatred, numbness, and more to the viewers. And maybe the reason I want to act is because I've acted my entire life being the person I don't want to be. But what if I choose to open up to them? Will they accept me for who I am? Or will they be disappointed? I don't want them to be disappointed in me. But if I do become the person I don't want to be, then I would be disappointing myself.